four core principles that are required in order to make change happen successfully. No, so they are recognized need, meaning people recognize the need. There's a clearly shared vision or outcome. Yung what kind of outcome do we expect to see? Because we don't change just for the sake of changing. Why are you changing the ways of work? Why are you trying to consolidate uh, your data when it works perfectly well? So, dapat meron tayong shared view of the outcome of what you're trying to do. No? And people have the capacity to participate in the change. And then finally, yung actionable first steps means you have a change plan. Di ba? Hindi pwede yung, may plano ka ba? Meron. Nasaan? Hindi dito. Hindi pwede yun. Now, what happens if one of these core principles is absent? What happens? For example, so there's a blank there that you can answer. What happens if people fail to recognize the need for change? What happens? Huh? If people fail to recognize the change, what happens? Resistance. No? Resistance is the correct answer. Ayan. Sino yung sumagot ng tama? Si Army. May pa-premyo si Army mamaya. Okay. When there's no clear vision of the change outcome, what happens? Sino yung sumagot ng confusion? Ayun, si Paolo. Okay. Di ba? People will be confused. Bakit kailangan ng change? Di ba? And there's no answer though. People will get confused. This is particularly confusing if they're being ordered to change and they don't know why. Di ba? And then when people don't have the capacity for change, what happens? When people don't have the capacity for change, if they're not effectively trained or prepared for the change, what happens? Ano pa? Specific, what emotions will they feel? Exhausted, there's another term. Overwhelmed, burnout, overworked. Overworked, di mo nga alam gawin eh. So hindi. Ano yung term? Starts with the letter F. Frustration, no? So they'll get frustrated or anxious, no? Anxiety and frustration. And if there's no plan, what happens? Failure, no? Failure. False starts or failure. That's what happens, no? So yun yung iwasan natin. For us to make the change happen, there has to be a recognized need, a clearly shared vision, capacity for change, and actionable first steps. So how does this work in real life? Let's take a look at the process. So according to Kurt Lewin, there are three major stages in change. Yung unfreezing, yung change itself, and then the refreezing. Yung sustainability of the change, making the change sustainable. So unfreeze, change, refreeze. We'll start with the unfreezing stage. The most important part of the unfreezing stage is the readiness of the change leader. Kasi kapag hindi ready ang change leader, what is the likelihood of the change becoming successful?